Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Good and fine. Through this video, we are going to learn the question answer of chapter number 12. Just imagine. Okay students, when we read this lesson, we find out that in this lesson, you can imagine there are so many imagination about children's wing, crocodiles toothbrushes, and elephants hankies, and also we were talking about giraffes ties. All right, so you can imagine whatever you want. Now let's start question answer of this chapter. The first question is about crocodiles. Why would crocodiles need many toothbrushes to keep their teeth sparkling? The question number first, why would crocodiles need many toothbrushes to keep their teeth sparkling? Yes, what is the answer? Can you tell me the answer for this question? Yes, the answer is they would need many toothbrushes. Why they need many toothbrushes to keep their teeth sparkling? They would need many toothbrushes because they have a big jaw. They have a big jaw. You can see in this picture in your screen. There is a picture of crocodile, and you can see that a crocodile has so many teeth in his jaw. He has a big jaw with many teeth. So crocodiles need so many toothbrushes because they have a big jaw with many teeth. Question number second, when would elephants require many hankies? Yes, can you tell me the answer for this question? When would elephants require many hankies? When elephants need so many hankies in this poem? Elephants would require many hankies if they were to sneeze. If they were to sneeze, they need so many hankies. They required so many hankies because of their sneezing. You can see in this picture there is an elephant who used his hanky. He with hanky he cleaned his trunk, his long nose. Question number third, why would giraffes require long ties? Why would giraffes require long ties? Answer, giraffes would require long ties because they have long necks. Because of their long necks, they would require long ties. Alright, last question, how would the sky look if children were to fly? What would they need if they were to fly? If children want to fly in the sky, then what would they need if they were to fly? Answer, the sky would be full of zooming children. They would need wings like birds if they were to fly. If they want to fly, they need wings like birds. Alright students, I hope you have understood these question answer of chapter number 12. Just imagine